Hello YouTube. So today I am going to give you a small long-term review for a PierreCardin watch for women. So this is I have bought it from Flipkart in 2017 around a invoice value of 7.7k. So let me unbox it quickly. So this is the watch. You can see the watch is in rose gold color. uh, so the build quality is very good, and it has couple of features like it shows the date here and days in here and 24 hours. Um so for now I think PierreCardin has stopped uh, shipping watch in India. uh, so after using so long for 5 years, the strap has been ripped off. So I have ordered one strap from Titan because I did not find any suitable alternative strap for this with exact the same color. So I have ordered the strap from uh, Tata's new app. So this is the box packaging what I received. So the packaging is pretty good. Let me unbox it and show it to you. This strap cost me around 300 rupees and the shipment was free of cost. So if you buy something from Tata New app, you will receive some points. So and you can encash it. I think 1 point is equals to 1 rupees. So uh, let me unbox it. With 300 rupees and free shipment, and with this type of build quality for the packaging is very appreciable. You see in here the packaging is very good. So this is the strap what I have ordered. I did not get any rose gold color strap, so I had to order something which has genuine leather. So this is the box. I think I need to open it from this side. Okay, so this is the strap looks pretty amazing. It has Titan logo in it and it is showing 12 millimeter, and this is the toolkit probably, I think, what we need to use to assemble it. So yeah, that is it. Thank you guys. Please do subscribe and share. Thank you.